Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go. All right, what we have in my hands today is an IMP413XN. It's an automotive grade ABS liner that is designed and manufactured to fit over and into this specific OEM wheel. It comes in two finishes, a gloss black or a chrome finish. In addition, it comes with a aftermarket center cap. Brian, tell us what it fits and how do we install it?
This fits your 14 to 19 Toyota 4Runner. You remove your OE center cap, line up the valve stem, and push into place, and install the new center cap.
As you can see, the Impostor wheel skin has several advantages. One, it instantly changes the finish of the wheel. Two, if you're at a dealership, you can increase the trim level package appearance of a vehicle by installing Impostor wheel skins. And three, if your wheel has got some cosmetic damage, maybe you've ran into a curb or two, the Impostor wheel skin can easily conceal that damage. All Impostor wheel skins come with a limited lifetime warranty. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.